If you want to become a millionaire, you need to learn not only how to think like a rich man, but also to act like you already have the coveted million in your hands. Yes, successful people have certain financial habits that have influenced what they have become. In this video, we reveal the secrets and tell you what prevents you from becoming rich and what useful habits to acquire if you want to get rich. So here we go. Habit number 1. Have assets and save up. Financially successful people have a lot of assets. Passives don't generate income and require investment. For example, the apartment you live in or the car you drive. Assets, on the other hand, bring constant income. These can include investments, businesses, homes for rent, etc. Therefore, the more assets you have, the higher your income, and therefore your financial security. You should not forget about savings. Save at least 10% of your income. Habit number 2. Calculate net worth and plan for the future. Rich people plan their finances carefully, analyzing not only their income and expenses, but also calculating their net worth. This is essentially the market value of all your assets minus the value of your liabilities. Assets in this case are not only what brings you income, but also what you own. For example, an apartment, a car, a summer house. On the other side are your liabilities: loan payments, debts to other people, loans, child school fees, taxes, and other expenses in everyday life. How to calculate net worth. For example, you own an apartment and have a decent amount of money in your savings account, your plus. At the same time, a car loan and other expenses are a minus. Subtract the second from the first, and what do you get? Are you on the plus side? If so, congratulations. If you are in the zero or minus, there is still work to be done. To improve the financial situation, you need to get rid of the liabilities that pull down and think about increasing income. By the way, you can count not only personal, but also family net worth. Habit number 3, living debt-free. How do you get rich? Don't borrow. If you are constantly borrowing money from relatives and acquaintances, then something is wrong. It turns out that either you are living beyond your means, or you do not want to take responsibility for your decisions and deal with finances. This line of behavior can lead to problems in the future. Therefore, it is better not to take out loans for things that you cannot afford now. If there is a major purchase to be made, it is advisable to compare options at several stores to find the most favorable one. Save for the goal in the currency of the goal. For example, if you want to buy something imported, it is more reasonable to save dollars or euros. This way you will be able to collect the necessary amount faster and avoid losses in case of possible exchange rate hikes and price increases. Habit number 4. Think about retirement now. When you are 20, 30, and even 40 years old, the future pension seems to be some vague future that will come not soon, but here it comes, and there is no money. If you make regular pension savings, you can meet your old age in a much more stable financial situation compared to those who do not do it. It is better to decide at once how much you are ready to save every month and every year and follow the schedule strictly. You don't have to think that putting aside small amounts of money doesn't make sense. Even a few thousand can provide significant financial help in the future. Time is more important here, because the earlier you start, the more you will get as a result. Habit number 5. Learn from the rich. If in your environment there are people with wealth, it's great. It means that you have a reference point that will help you understand in what direction to move and what to do to improve your financial situation. Perhaps you should learn from them rational handling of any amount of money. And one more thing, do not speak ill of and condemn rich people, because you will not have more money from this anyway. Habit number 6. Spend time and money in training. Free time can be spent in a useful way. For example, read books on topics related to your profession for half an hour every day. By doing so, you can improve your skills, which, in turn, can lead to an increase in income. Listening to audiobooks can also be useful. It doesn't matter whether you're expanding your existing knowledge or learning something completely new in an online course. In any case, it will be a plus. Make it a habit to learn every day. After all, many successful people are eternal learners. So, we've covered 6 effective financial habits that help wealthy and successful people achieve financial prosperity. Remember that wealth and success don't come instantly. They take time, effort, and conscious action. Remember, everyone can implement these habits into their lives, regardless of their current financial situation. By following these tips, you can move toward a brighter financial future. Remember to set goals for yourself and take action towards achieving financial success. Good luck along the way.